SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to block a caller on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've received a call from a phone number that you would no longer like to communicate with, then you have the option to block that call from your call list. You can do this by opening the phone app, selecting the Recents tab at the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap the I button to the right of the phone number that you would like to block. You can then scroll down to the bottom of this contact card and you can choose the Block This Caller option. Now you can tap Block Contacts to confirm, which means that you will no longer receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTiming from people from this phone number. And now you should see that this number has been blocked because it says Unblock This Caller here. So any future text messages or phone calls from that phone number will no longer be received. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.